हाय, आज मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है। आपने परसों रात को खाने में क्या खाया था? क्या आपको याद है? शायद आपको याद ना हो, लेकिन आपको ये याद होगा कि आपने लास्ट टाइम सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग और डिलिशियस क्विजीन क्या ट्राई किया था। सोच के ही मुंह में पानी आ गया ना। डिलिशियस खाना खाना हमारी एक फंडामेंटल नीड है। इसीलिए दुनिया के बेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट कई सालों से अपनी बेस्ट रेसिपीज को सीक्रेट रखते आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि उसी एक्साइटिंग टेस्ट के लिए कस्टमर्स उनके पास वापस आते रहते हैं। Did you know the global food service market size was 2395.03 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow from 2646.99 billion in 2023 to 5423.59 billion by 2030. That's a lot. If you are interested in the business of food, then this video is for you. We believe a good education is of utmost importance. So here are the 5 best culinary schools in the world that will train you to become a world famous chef. Number 1, we have Culinary Institute of America. CIA boasts a faculty of experienced chefs and industry professionals providing students with valuable expertise and mentorship. Students at CIA engage in extensive hands-on training, gaining practical culinary skills in state-of-the-art kitchens and culinary facilities. CIA has strong ties with the food and hospitality industry, offering students opportunities for internships, networking, and job placements. Number 2, we have Cordon Bleu. Cordon Bleu has campuses in various countries, providing students with a global perspective on culinary arts and the opportunity to learn in diverse culinary traditions. With a history dating back to 1895, Cordon Bleu is known for its culinary tradition and commitment to culinary excellence. Graduates from this university benefit from a strong alumni network which can assist in career advancement. And then we have Apicius, the Culinary Institute of Florence, located in Italy. Apicius is located in Florence, Italy, offering students the chance to immerse themselves in Italian culinary traditions and culture. The school collaborates with renowned restaurants and establishment in Italy, providing students with valuable internship experiences. Students at Apicius have the opportunity to learn through real-world experiences, including working in the institute's on-campus restaurants. Fourth, we have Johnson & Wales University College of Culinary Arts in the US. Johnson & Wales offer a wide range of culinary programs, including culinary arts, baking and pastry arts, and food service management, catering to various career interests. The university has strong connections with the food and hospitality industry, facilitating internships, job placements, and networking opportunities. Johnson & Wales encourages innovation and entrepreneurship in the culinary field, allowing students to explore culinary business opportunities. And lastly, we have École hôtelière de Lausanne, Switzerland. Quite difficult to pronounce, right? EHL is renowned for its hospitality and culinary programs, providing students with an international outlook on culinary arts and hospitality management. Students can gain practical experience through internships in Switzerland and abroad, gaining a global perspective on the culinary industry. EHL emphasizes research and innovation in the culinary and hospitality fields, offering students opportunities to engage in cutting-edge projects. So these were the top 5 culinary schools across the world. What are you waiting for? If being a world-class chef is your dream, you should take a step forward with trusted experts by your side. Leverage Edu. Like and share this video, comment your favorite cuisine, and subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.